this. We can do this ClickFunnels stuff.
Okay, that will be awesome.
I have some time, and ClickFunnels. Okay, I will show you how I have done it.
That's great.
Do you see my screen?
Yeah, I can see.
Yeah, wait a second on this account. This is really annoying. Like,
Hey, Nicole. Hi. So,
Yeah, every time I also have to stop it.
oh shit. No, and then different account.
So you're handling multiple accounts?
No, I actually deleted one. You know, they have this funny thing when I was deactivating. You know what is the real price for ClickFunnels? Have you tried to deactivate ClickFunnels?
No, not exactly.
They have so many downsells that you cannot imagine. I mean, Russell Brunson, he's like, you know, so he has like first video, like why you are canceling. And then he's trying to downgrade you for the deactivate, for like a temporary, he's giving you like additional 14 days.
Okay.
And then if you say, so he's prolonging the testing period first. If you click, I don't want to prolong, then he's trying to sell you like $9 a month. I will keep your funnels, but you cannot run this on production. And then if you cancel this
Yeah,
one,
this I heard.
if you cancel this one, you have another pricing. Like you have like $30 pricing, $60 pricing, $70 a month pricing, dependent on number of visits and dependent on number of channels, of funnels, you know? This is so funny.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so he has like totally... So
So
on the
they'll not let you go.
yeah, on the page you have like minimum price of this $100, and then if you cancel, you have totally different price structure. It's so funny.
So it is when you talk to the customer service or when you try to do it yourself?
No, you do it yourself. You do it yourself, and then you have these
Okay.
downsells, like 3 of them. You know, like 3 of them, and the account is not cancelled. So you gave them a credit card details. The account is not cancelled.
Mm-hmm.
So you want to like get to the end, because if I was canceling during the process, I saw that the account was not cancelled and the subscription was still running. So you need to go through this process. It's really,
Let's see. I'll try this.
let's try this. Set up a demo
I actually,
account. You set
I
up
wanted to go in. Okay. Yeah, that is a good idea.
set up a new account. Yeah, okay. So button click execution. I'm working on a better version of this code.
Okay.
Yeah. So it will be much better, and this will be. Okay. Are you using chat fuel or are you using
Chat fuel. Chat fuel.
okay.
So I just need to change the page ID in this.
Yeah, you need to change 3 things. You need to change page ID, app ID.
App ID for the chat. Oh, this is for ManyChat?
Yeah, shit. Wait a second. This is all for ManyChat. I don't know if it will work with chat fuel. Okay, it's just one line. Okay, so use this one.
The first one is ManyChat, and the second one?
It's chat fuel.
Oh, that's awesome. So in this thing, the second one, the chat fuel one, I just need to change the page ID and the button ID, right?
No, you need to change 3. Yeah, page ID and the ref. Can you go, like, can you share the screen with me? I can.
Okay, hold on, please. Okay, so this is the one that I was talking to you, and like this. Can you see my screen?
No.
Oh, I did not press the share screen button. Hold on, please. Can you see now?
Yeah, now it's going.
Okay, so this is the thing I was trying to do. Like here is, I'm showing them that they will subscribe to Messenger, but when I was doing this click button, it was not subscribing.
Yeah, let's work on this one. Go to chat fuel. Let's start from the beginning. Like, or show me the code that you have inside of the ClickFunnels. We will get this data from there. Like this one.
This is this code is the one that you gave me earlier.
Yeah, okay. Just go to the ClickFunnels account.
Okay. So it is here. Oh.
Or you know what? We can do it through the, like, I will post it afterwards. So let's go like through the whole process again. I will post this video on Facebook, so other guys will know.
Okay, so let me add.
Just go to chat fuel first. Let's start like from the beginning.
Is it slow because of Zoom?
I don't know. Maybe.
The signal is full, but
You're from Singapore, my friend?
Hong Kong.
Hong Kong. Yeah, awesome. And what
You've been here?
nationality are you?
Indian.
Indian. Okay.
Yeah.
No, I have never been. You know, I have never ever been in Asia, actually.
Oh, I see. Okay. So when are you coming next?
I don't know. I have no. We need to have some common clients, and then I can go to Asia. Like, open the bot that it's connected to this page.
I was just trying to do this one.
But this one is connected already?
Yes, to this page it is connected.
And go to Grove. Which block are you routing this thing to?
I was doing this one.
Checkbox plugin?
This one, yeah.
Yeah, now it's the domain. It's probably this app thing. App.clickfunnels, like to make it working on preview.
Okay. Ref parameter, I just left it, and this one
No, no,
I
no.
just
You need
made.
the ref parameter.
Okay. So what did you write here?
Okay.
Chat.
Okay.
Chat field?
No, no, no. Look, go to the block. Go to the block. Because this is basically what will be sent by ChatFuel on this button click. And you need to tell ChatFuel what to send them. Like create, like you have add block, go to add block.
Okay.
And here you can say whatever, like hello block, whatever. Okay. And
I understand. This one, you can just send the welcome block also, right?
yeah, yeah. But then you need to have test message, yeah. And press link on the top. Yeah.
I need to on this?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, and then like delete this space because sometimes it's like blowing things up. Yeah, and then done. And then go growth. Yeah. And here put this, yeah. So if you will publish this page, here you need to go through this, and then click this hello block. Yeah, and now you have the code. So then go copy this JavaScript. Yeah, then go to the new tab in the browser. Like open new tab in the browser. Type JavaScript beautifier, like beauty. JavaScript beautifier. Yeah, yeah. Just click the first one. I was thinking about like building this copy pasting thing, like to make this code pre-generated, to make it more seamless for people. But anyway. Okay, now paste this code, this that you have in the, yeah, and then beauty. Okay, and now you need to copy this. Just check whether you have the same app ID. Like now go to Messenger. Now go to Messenger. Just with Messenger, you will have it on the whole page.
Little slow.
But the voice is working quite good.
I'm surprised it's so slow.
I can switch off my video.
No, 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 it's okay. So where do I go now?
Yeah, go to mine. Like
Go to where?
my last message.
Come on, come on. It's so slow.
Yeah, Facebook is really, and copy the last message. So go up. It's easier to copy from the top. Oh yeah, just
This is the first one.
no, the script one.
This one,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, and go down.
Okay. Then JavaScript.
Yeah, and then no. Just we need to combine these two. Just paste this what you have copied in some notepad or whatever. Yeah. Shit. Yeah.
And now this one.
Yeah. And now, yeah. Wait a sec. You see the up page, up ID is different. Yeah, or not? We need to copy now three like up.
This is the app ID, right?
Just go to the top. Go above. Yeah. Go. No. Just go up. Just go up with this code.
Okay.
Up, up. Yeah, here.
From
So
here.
up ID, like line 23.
This one, right?
Yeah, it's the same. Yeah, this
Yeah,
one.
206 is chat field here.
No, just copy this up ID. Just the up ID.
Okay. This one?
Yeah. Okay. Change this one. And then page,
Okay.
and page ID, you have line 24.
Page ID.
24.
Where you can see that?
Line 24.
Oh, line 24. Okay, this one.
Yeah. And now go line 25 and copy this B60 everything here. Like starting from B. Yeah. And replace with the, yeah, here. Just replace this stuff.
The whole opt-in thing?
Yeah.
From here to here, right?
Yeah. Yeah, and go
Okay.
down a bit. Go down a bit. There is one thing I want. Yeah, this set timeout. Just set this to replace 7. Just go down a bit. Set
This
timeout.
one, right?
Replace this with 20. This means 20-second timeout.
20 seconds. Okay.
If we will not get the response from Facebook in 20 seconds, then the page will reload. Because
I understand.
like, I don't know, this is some Facebook bug that, yeah, whatever. So now copy this stuff and let's go to ClickFunnels.
Okay.
Paste this like add element beneath the button. Yeah, and paste it here. Yeah, one additional thing. Wait a second. Because there is a trigger on the page load as well here. Reloads. I will tell you a line in a second. Yeah. Yeah, down. Yeah, wait, here, a line 93. Put a comment here. Yeah. Okay. And go down. Go down. 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 Yeah, okay. Then copy this line 106. Copy this get button 126, I'm sorry. Yeah, copy this get to report button. This will be the name of our button. Yeah.
Understand.
Yeah, close this window. Is it saved? Or open also this pop-up window and delete this code over there, because there will be...
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I understand. So for this button, you just need to change the...
You need to get the name of the button. Yeah, and this is in this hashtag thing.
Yes.
I think it's in settings. Just in settings. Yeah, it's in the first tab.
It's getting very slow here.
Yeah, and go, yeah, here, hashtag, yeah. Update. Yeah, and then go open this pop-up and delete this custom JavaScript over there. Yeah, close the window. Save, preview, and you should be ready to go. Now what is missing in this code is disabling of the send me the list before Facebook would load. This is what is missing here. Because
Disabling?
if the user will click on send me the list before the Facebook will load.
Yes, 20 seconds before that.
No. It takes Facebook like 5. So you can hit preview.
It showed some error while saving. Okay. So in 20 seconds it should load, right?
No. It should 20 seconds is just the security. It should log the load. Yeah, I think it's loaded now, because you seen there was a page that was changing.
Yeah. Here, right?
Because you are subscribed already. Just press the send me the list button. Yeah.
Yeah, this test message is there.
Yeah, so you are done, my friend.
Well, thank you. This is awesome. Okay. Okay, so this is actually submitting the button on the click of on the click, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so this, okay. So what is this 20-second delay for?
No, it's not delay. Facebook sometimes has an authentication error of the web page, and I have not figured out why. But there is a problem, like sometimes there is a problem with Facebook. Like Facebook is having an error that is saying, okay, the page is not on the white list, but the page is on the white list. So this is like quite strange one. It's not happening very often, but it's happening like every 15 times or something. So it's just a security thing that if this thing will not work, then the page will reload.
Okay.
So yeah, but in
Yeah, this is awesome.
the most cases it should work. What I am adding in the ClickFunnels, I just prefer to have this. Go back to like close this window.
Which one?
Go back to ClickFunnels. Go back to ClickFunnels. Yeah, here like this custom JavaScript code. I would prefer to have this on the white background because Facebook is doing this on the white background, and if you have it on the dark background, then it will be like a black box beneath this button.
Understand.
And you can also reduce the top margin here. Like go to settings of this JavaScript code to make this very close to the top margin. You see, it's like so.
Understand.
Yeah.
One thing more in this here, it did not ask for the permission to join to the messenger.
Yeah, this is the thing with if you are subscribed already, then it's not showing you this one. You know, there is one trick to check if everything is fine. Copy the link of this page, of this preview page.
Okay.
Go to settings and go to incognito mode. Just copy.
Understand. Understand. Got it.
Just let's do it now. Go to incognito.
Incognito.
It's inside of the And now you will see this, and you will see that you are not logged in. And this is also what is missing here. There is no, so this button is not dependent on the checkbox. So I'm assuming there are these two things missing. I'm assuming that, I mean, I just need to do this, but all the traffic was coming from Facebook, so everybody was logged in, and this was not a problem. But if you have some different traffic source, then it would be useful just to have the security.
Yeah, that's awesome, actually.
Hey, where is this?
Not shown yet.
No. Go to File. Okay, go to File. Go to File. You see, this is this. Go to shit. Where is it? Where is settings? Like window? No. Like tools? No. People window.
This one?
Yeah. Set. No. Go back where you have been. Go back where you have been in this menu, in this select list.
Here?
No, the one on the right hand side. Yeah, wait a second. More tools, and developer tools. And the console on the go. Yeah, okay, awesome. Facebook pixel error. Yeah, checkbox state unchecked. Okay, close this pop-up.
I think it is showing now. Now it's showing.
Yeah.
This is here now.
So if you have this, like if you hit F5, you will see the console is going, it's like logging certain events.
Uh-huh. Okay. So is it that because of the delay it shows late, or like the page is reloaded in 20 seconds if it is not automatically loaded the first time?
Yeah, I think this was the case. Like
Okay.
go now to the regular mode and also open this developer console. So here you see a checkbox state unchecked.
Yes, this one.
Yeah.
Okay. So here you will see here it is checked, right?
Yeah.
I understand.
And hit
Yeah,
F5.
this one.
Yeah. And you see plugin was hidden. This is the section.
Mm. Oh yeah. Okay.
So here everything is fine. You have some problem with Pixel. You just have a problem with Pixel.
Okay. The pixel it shows here is okay. Perfect.
I don't know.
Okay. Anyways, this is awesome actually.
So
Yeah, this is great because most of the time the user are already logged into the Facebook accounts, and this can easily put them to the subscriber on the messenger.
yeah, yeah.
Okay.
And if you are driving traffic, I can upgrade this code like late. I will probably upgrade this like next week.
Mm-hmm.
With this with two things. Like one, to be on the safe side, the button is not clickable before the Facebook checkbox is loaded. And then the second thing is the this blocking of the button where user is not logged in. Yeah, these are two actions that needs to be addressed.
Blocking of the button when the user is not logged in.
Yeah, because right
Okay.
now in the second case, like in incognito mode, you can still press this button.
Okay. Press this button means uncheck the button, right?
Yeah, if you will go to this incognito, you will see that still you can click on the button, and there will be no reaction on Facebook.
Where is my other window gone? Or did I close that?
Yeah, you can close this one.
I think the other one I closed already. Oh, it's here. You mean I can check this one?
No. Just don't check this. Just hit the send me the list,
Okay.
and you see everything will be fine. And this is a problem because now you don't have the subscriber.
This thing, one thing we can do is on the second thank you page, we can automatically subscribe the user with the code without the permission. Do you think that is a good idea?
Like on the pop-up load or what?
No, on the second page, on the thank you page, here we are asking the permission. Like you remember the last week you gave me a code in which it is automatically on the page load is going to the subscriber.
Yeah.
So on the thank you page, once he is already there in your system, maybe you don't ask for the permission and you just directly subscribe them.
But this way, yeah, but you need to like have something. Like right now here, he's not logged in. You mean the situation when he's not logged in or what?
Oh yeah, so if it is not logged in, even you're trying to automatically load it, it will not load.
No, it will still have, like on this auto loading thing, I have like a communication that is displaying that if you are not logged in, you have this message saying you need to log in to experience something.
I see. Yeah, that's a good idea.
Yeah. So, but I think what will do the job is just have the security on the first page that you cannot click that if you click the button and the checkbox is not checked, then you have, I don't know, another pop-up or a communication. You need to check the you need to check the button the checkbox plugin before you are allowed to go further.
I understand. But then that is not the user discretion. Like we are forcing him to sign into the messenger as well, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't
So
know
is
what
that
you want
allowed with
to
the
do, but
Facebook?
yeah, of course. I mean, this is your workflow. You either sign in or you don't sign in.
Okay, good enough.
It's like
But
you either get,
how much percentage do you think the people who are already not signed in to the Facebook accounts when they're using their machines? I think it is very less because nowadays everybody, even if you're using the Facebook on your mobile and it is there on the app, it will still open up the things when you're opening in the browser.
yeah. So basically, it depends where your traffic is coming from. If you have the traffic from an email campaign, I had discussed this thing with a guy that is running email campaign to the people that are like they do like a recruitment thing, like a HR recruitment, uh, and they have huge email list. So they want to pre-qualify. They want to pre-qualify people before they go on the phone with them, and they do it through chatbot, or they will do it through chatbot. And they have people that don't have. Sometimes they don't have Facebook because they have just email address. So
Hmm,
you have this kind of moment where you don't know whether they are logged in or not,
understand.
and then you should care. But this is not the case I'm doing. I mean, in all the cases I'm doing, the traffic is coming from Facebook, so I know that these guys are on Facebook anyway. So in 100% of cases, they are logged in, and this is not an issue. But if you have email traffic, then you should care about this.
I understand.
Or like
Yeah.
SMS traffic. SMS is awesome as well. You send
Okay.
on the SMS, you send the link to something, to some page with this checkbox plugin, or you send them directly to Messenger. But then you have
Hmm.
to get started thing.
I see. So in this growth tools also, this is the one that is basically mostly used, or it is the other ones also which are getting used. Like there are a few growth tools. This is the one that is mostly used.
This is the one that I like the best.
Yeah, because if you are just like last week you were discussing this lady boss, they have the other one. They have on the top of their web page,
Yeah,
they have the one which you need to subscribe and sign into the messenger.
yeah. Actually, she has this many chat thing, and I
Okay,
found out that actually I was wrong.
okay,
And everything is fine. The user is subscribed and is on ManyChat.
I
Uh,
see.
the problem is just with chat fuel.
I didn't get what problem basically. What
That
do you mean to say?
you cannot send a broadcasting message to the person that has not responded to your first message.
I see. Okay, okay,
And this is something what changed because in chat fuel it was the other way around actually. So on ManyChat it was not possible, and on chat fuel it was possible. And now it's somehow, I don't know, it's kind of strange.
so
But
our
right
chatful
now,
is testing, stopping that, testing it, like,
I
or
don't
they
know.
have discontinued this feature.
I don't know. I even posted. I will check on the chat fuel forum. Uh, I have even posted a question there, and nobody answered.
Okay,
But now it's working like this: that you are allowed to send a broadcasting message just to the person that replied for the to the initial message that you have sent them.
I see. But I think there should be a rule from the Facebook, because if the person is not willing to engage and if he is not answering your first question, then you can't broadcast him anyway.
Actually, Facebook is allowing that.
I see. And how about what do you call that? Sequences. The sequences will go through, right? It is not only the broadcast is not allowed.
Yeah, the sequence will go. Like, if you say, okay, go from this block to that block and then to that block, everything will be working. So you can send multiple message in the sequence, but you cannot broadcast afterwards. So if they will not click on anything during your initial stage, then you cannot broadcast to them.
I understand.
So
Okay.
basically, the first goal that you have is like get them clicking something. So if they click something, everything is fine.
Yeah, the first message has to be very, very something funny or something like that. It doesn't seem like business.
Yeah, and they click.
Yeah, got it. Yeah, that's a good suggestion actually. That okay.
Remember that on the broadcasting stuff, you have like this couple of rules where you can broadcast. I mean, a lot of people don't care. I spoken with one guy from Facebook, and he was saying that there will be time where they actually will come back to this policy. That you can only broadcast in the certain cases.
Yeah, I understand. Actually, at this moment, maybe Facebook is a little lenient because they're just beginning and they're just trying to promote this kind of bots so that they can monetize it. But once it is in full flow, they will. I'm sure they will just try to control the traffic, and they will just try to control this, that you're not bombarding any kind of broadcast to the people all over.
Yeah. So you have these. Okay, I will send you a Messenger. You have these three cases. So news, personal trackers, and productivity. Like
News, personal trackers.
personal trackers are nice. It's like
Okay.
I think so. This category, it's awesome for you, like for your coaches.
Yeah.
Monitor information about themselves in categories such as health, fitness, wellness, and finance.
This is for the broadcast you mean to say, right?
Yeah, this is where you can subscribe users to your regular broadcasting.
I understand.
These are the areas that are like preferred by Facebook.
I understand. Basically, they want some kind of a value delivery to the subscribers.
Yeah.
They don't want you just try to sell your product and services.
They don't want you to spam these users. So,
I understand.
like I was asking, in the policy, there is also a rule saying it's not allowed to sell information products through.
Okay.
So basically, what you cannot do is do the payment inside of the messenger, like physically. But what you do on your page is your business. So if you send them from the messenger to your page, they don't care.
I understand.
Just you need to be smart enough to make this user click to go to your page.
I understand. Okay.
So awesome. Just move this thing forward.
Yeah, thank you so much for your help, and I really appreciate it.
Yeah, no problem, sir. This is fine.
So you will be keeping the recording for this one, because just in case I want to refer to the last section, and if I'm stuck somewhere, I can just refer to the recording and get hold of that.
Yeah, I will post it, but probably next week where I will have better internet.
Okay.
But I'm recording this right now, so it will be just if I will not post it, just let me know next week and I will send it to you.
Okay, thank you so much.
Okay, awesome. So have a great night. Yeah, it's like
Yeah.
1 o'clock, 2 o'clock.
Yeah, 2 o'clock here. Well,
Like
almost 2 o'clock here.
2 a.m. in your time. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm
Okay.
sorry for you. It's in the morning.
Okay.
No,
Bye bye. Have a great day.
it's noon here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you
All
already
the
had your
best.
lunch?
No. I'm still before breakfast because I was so in a hurry for this call, and I just landed in Salt Lake City. So I was like running through the airport looking for a place where I can have a conference call.
Yeah. Actually, I was also just waiting for that because I did not see the link, the Zoom link. That is why I asked you. Maybe because last week you said that maybe you will send it by the email.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
I checked my email that it was not there. I checked the post, it was not there. So that is why
yeah,
I asked you
yeah.
like
I'm sorry.
whether I'm missing it or not.
No. Everything is fine. I'm just sending this in the last moment. So, but I don't know. I think I will cancel this shit. I mean, if people don't want to do it, then fuck it. Like,
Then I think they would like to join, but I don't know whether we need to find the right people to join, or we need to just motivate the people to join, or something like that.
but this is like I understand. So I think the issue is that they have not paid for that. So this is one thing. If they
Yeah,
would
this is
pay, they will show up. They would show up.
probably this is what Russell says always.
Yeah. So, but anyway, so I have a personal contact with a lot of them, and they are like, I don't know, I'm whatever.
Sometimes somebody is busy or but I don't know.
Whatever. So, thank you very much. And
Thanks to you
right,
for your time,
yeah,
and I'll hope to see you soon.
awesome. Thank
Bye.
you, sir. Bye.